Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from DasherDirect to Google Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you simply have to follow some easy steps, so make sure to stick till the end. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Google Wallet app first. Now from over here, you're going to tap on this option of add to wallet at the bottom right. Once you have done that, this kind of interface is going to pop up. Now from over here, you're going to find this option of payment card on the top, which you would like to add for. Tap on it. Then from over here, you will be able to simply add the card. You can simply scan the card by your, this little scanner. You can just place it right in the middle and scan it. And if you would simply like to add manually, tap on this option of enter details manually. Now the one thing that you have to make sure of, that you're entering the DasherDirect card, so you can get the information of that card. So whenever you open your Google Pay for any transaction, you can use that card to do the payment for any of the purchases that you're gonna make. That is basically the option available on Google Pay. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.